I'm going to solve all interview questions, top interview questions from leetCode. I just solved two. I'll try to solve all these easy questions first. I'll try to solve these questions in 2 weeks of time or less than that. I'll try my level best. I solved this question. I'm going to explain the solution. Best time to buy and sell stocks too. For this problem, the two things we have to keep in mind is when to sell and when to buy the stocks. First, when to buy the stocks. We will buy the stocks when we have the next element which is greater than our current element. There is no use of buying the stock when highest when we have the when, for example, okay, let's see this. I will explain the my 2 points, when to buy and when to sell. We will buy the stock when we have next element which is greater than our present element, so that we can sell it there. That is our first preference. So 7, there is no use of buying stock at 7, so that we cannot sell it. We will be at -7 profit. So okay, we'll see that, but we'll see that next element will go to 1. We have a 5 which is greater than 1, so we can buy the stock at 1 and sell it at 5. So we'll buy the stock at 1. For first point, we will buy the stock only if the next element is greater than our current element. Okay, the next point 2, we'll sell the stock for the highest next element. We'll go to 5. For this, I will explain this example first. Next point. For the first point, we have buy the stock if the next element is greater than our current element. So we buy 1 because we have 2 which is greater than 1, so we can sell it there. So we'll buy it 1. But our second point says that we should sell the stock for the highest. We'll go to 2. Is next element is greater than 2? Yes. So we'll go to 3. Is next element is greater than 3? Yes. We'll go to 5. Sorry, we'll go to 4. Next element is greater than 5? Yes. And 5 is the last. So we'll sell the stock at 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 is our profit. Two things to keep in mind: when to buy, when to sell. We will first buy when we have the next element which is greater than our current element, and we'll sell to the next highest element. For this, we'll get 0, as it is in decreasing order. There is no use of buying anywhere and selling anywhere. So okay, for this we need I is equal to 0 and amount to keep amount, and profit will be 0, and I will like to keep a flag thing when amount to access, and I'm going to code it in Python. Length of prices. Now we'll code our first task, when to buy. We'll buy it when amount should be 0, and when we have the next element which is greater than our current element, then we will buy the stock and we will make flag as 1. After that, we will move to next. Now we have to sell the stock when we to the highest next element. So for this, I should be less than L minus 1. Oh, for that, first we have to loop. So loop till I to L minus 1. And this condition should be here if, 1 second guys, if it's an if condition, so it's not a while condition. While is the whole loop, and we'll check every element here. Okay, don't get confused. I is to our second condition, and prices of I plus 1 should be greater than prices of I. If that does, we'll go to next type, and we will exit the loop when we find the last highest value, as in this case 5. We will exit the 5. We'll go to 2, 3. 3 is greater than 2, then 3. 4 is greater than 3, then 5. 5 is greater than 4, then 5. As the last, it is not less than L minus 1, so we'll move there. After that, we have to add prices of I where the I is, and we have to subtract the amount if flag And we have to make flag as 0, and we have subtracted the amount, so we have to make the amount, and we have to return the profit. Let's see, we there shouldn't be any errors, but let's see. mm, I'll try to keep these things very short. No one likes 10 minutes 12 minutes videos. Oh, time limit exited. Oh, oh. 1 second, guys. Yes, okay. I saw. For other conditions, when where these two conditions are not true, we have to place the I, and we got the correct answer. We'll submit it. Oh, max or solution or by last expected output. A profit plus one. Plus 1 second, guys. I have an issue here. Oh. Uh, Prices of list of index profit. Oh, sorry, guys. It's a blunder. I placed one. Sorry. Sorry. Typos. Yes, done. Thank you.